In this demo, we are going to migrate the database machine using transportable table space. So let me log into my session, and so which one I am using here? My server one. Okay, here I am setting my environment variable. And database. Then I am putting my and for this script, I am going to my lab. For TTS directory. So in the lab, you can see you have a TTS where your dump is kept already. Got it? So there is a one data file DBF, which is a data file sourced from my Oracle database running onto AIX machine. Because we don't take the export, we don't take the backup over there to saving the time. It is already kept there. So then table space, what we have into this scenario, you can read it clearly. It is mentioned that SOE, so which is a numerous database object is there with the schema name called SOE. Then we have a dump file of that SOE, which we are going to do it. So if you can see the privilege over there before, so we have read write privilege over there, and this file belong to the Oracle install group. Okay. Now, same way you can take the backup on your database whenever you are doing, and then log in as a sysdb. Before that, on on-premises, you have to take the backup, copy here, keep it there, and then here what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm in a different lab, so let me give the full path for this case. So here you can see which format I am using. So little endian in the my Exadata box. AIX, you all know they are into big endian format, and that's why we have taken the backup from the AIX server. And now here just I'm formatting my column to get my transportable table space history where we can migrate and other stuff. So select a start from $3 transportable platform from which server it is supported. Let me check. So here you can notice the AIX. So AIX is supporting to the big endian format. Got it? Where the Exadata is supporting to the little endian format. So that's why this case study is taken. Now let me exit from here and connect to the RMAN. So we are using the transportable.
Pet number. Pet number.
File. Practice number 11.
11 and the paper number.
200 AG 200. Okay. Now I am using to convert database. So let me go for the script.
One hundred and 100 and
Yes. This one. Yes. Yeah, it is from the same version. We are getting the same version. Yes. But we are taken from the AIX in the lab environment. So to well, otherwise then we have to create one AIX machine over there. We have to do and the 5 days to 6 days training. That's right. Okay. Now let me convert my file. So the conversion is started, which will convert, the R1 will convert my this AIX file. So Linux x86 64-bit platform with the parallelism one.
why you parallel what? Why don't you
Multiple CPU. Yeah, you can use parallel equal to 4, 8, depending on how many core and how much you want to use the resource. Yeah, extra data, but entire thing. See, not only we are using the same extra data is used so many places. That it. Of course, you can do the parallel 4 in your case. No problem at all.
mình không dùng cái cơ chế mà cái chỗ có cái phần Remixo giống vậy nhưng mà nó có cái lúc mà trình bày á.
Okay, so see, conversion is done.
Cái này là truyền thống rồi.
Now, let me exit from here. And then I'm logging as the SysDB again.
Cái hình Remixo
So we log in, and then as we are using the transportable table space, we have to create the user over there. So create user SOE and give your password, whatever you want. So in my case, I always give the username and password should be same. Not a good practice, but yes, lots of training, lots of demo, difficult to remember the password. So I prefer to use the same password. So I'm creating the user, with the SOE identifying the SOE account. Okay. Then we have to give the privilege also to user. Okay. And then I have to create a directory over there. Where is the my dump kept? Got it? Because on OS we have a directory, but Oracle don't know. So we can create a directory. So here the directory name I am giving TTS. And if you want a particular users to grant another thing can be also done. But not required. Okay. Now I am going to import. So let me import this data. Directory TTS and then log file. I can put transport data file. What is my data file name? Let me see. tts.dmp. This one. Copy this data file location. Convert data file here. And then let me import it. The document data file and the after conversion number will be changed. That's why be careful over there. The password they have asked, so which user I have done for system user and Oracle system password. What is the system password? Password I have noted somewhere. Oracle. Let me check my password. Otherwise, we need to reset the password. Okay. Oracle. Yes, sir. Sysme. Yes, sir. No. So let me first reset the password to my machine. Which account I am doing? Import system now. iPad user system identified by same name I am giving, not good practice. And then I can also try to log in. Okay, I'm able to log in, so then I can now go with the previous command and I can import. It will pass. The system manager we are giving, but here, as I said, same username, same password I'm using. So let's wait for the import. Processing started. So it's done. Got it? So successfully you have migrated your data from the AIX to the Exadata machine with the help of transportable table space. Let me log into database and check it. As you know, it was in the read mode. So convert into the read and write. And now connect to the user. And then I can check with my file. So I'm just checking my now you can see your table is there, index is there, partitioning is there, those all which was into a schema in the source. Got it? Now you are able to select the query. Warehouses. Typo. So databases, migrated data is there as it was on the source. So we have completed the migration as per the requirement. I hope you got the idea. So that's covered my database migration demo. If anyone have any questions, feel free to ask me. Of course, your DBA has asked a couple of questions. It's a good. But if anyone who is not working DBA, if they want to discuss some topic related to migration, feel free to ask me. We have a good experience to migrated very large database into 20 TB and the small also the 2 GB and 1 GB every day we are showing during the demo. So those are.
Traditional way. It's very simple. Why don't you be more incremental, migrate by incremental? By
Armen.
Armen.
Yeah, see, this course which we are going, it is an Exadata course. Got it? So in Exadata course, when we are going, so this is the one topic how you move your source database to target database. Got it? So just example, if we will take the backup, we will do the Armen. So we need a one instance for that, separate one. The box size is already more than that. So we have to create another instance. Those are the things. And it will take time as well. The backup will perform, then we will copy from the source, then put onto network, what type of network speed we get to load onto Exadata. Okay, so to save that time, we have already taken the backup from the cross-platform example where AIX machine, we have taken the one case study based on that transportable table space we have used and we have migrated it. Okay, same way the Armen you can do, same way you can do with the Golden Gate replication. So what you are doing into the database migration. So there is a separate course for database migration. This is just a one part of this training. And as I said in the beginning, Exadata course, we are not going to teach you the RAG. We are not going to teach you the ASM. We are not going to teach you the database. We are here in your country to give you the idea about what is Exadata, how Exadata works, what are the new components in Exadata, how internally it integrate those things, and that's we are giving. Got it? I hope I answered your query. Thank you.